In this video, we are going to discuss the top 30 interview questions of Microsoft Azure. So, let's start. 1. What is Azure? 2. What are the different services offered by Azure? 3. What is the difference between Azure and AWS? 4. How does Azure differ from other cloud providers? 5. How does Azure provide security for its services? 6. What is Azure Active Directory? 7. What is Azure Virtual Machine and how does it work? 8. What is Azure Storage and how does it work? 9. What is Azure SQL Database and how does it differ from SQL Server? 10. How does Azure handle scalability and availability for its services? 11. What is Azure App Service and how does it work? 12. What is Azure Kubernetes Service and how does it work? 13. What is Azure Functions and how does it work? 14. What is Azure DevOps and how does it work? 15. What is Azure Logic Apps and how does it work? 16. What is Azure Container Instance and how does it work? 17. What is Azure Event Grid and how does it work? 18. What is Azure Cosmos DB and how does it work? 19. What is Azure Power BI and how does it work? 20. What is Azure IoT Hub and how does it work? 21. What is Azure Stream Analytics and how does it work? 22. What is Azure Data Factory and how does it work? 23. What is Azure Machine Learning and how does it work? 24. What is Azure Express Route and how does it work? 25. What is Azure Site Recovery and how does it work? 26. What is Azure Backup and how does it work? 27. What is Azure Policy and how does it work? 28. What is Azure Express Route and how does it work? 29. What is Azure Security Center and how does it work? 30. How does Azure handle compliance and regulatory requirements? These are some of the general questions that could be asked in an Azure interview, but keep in mind that each interview can be unique, and the questions may vary depending on the company and the specific job opening. It is always recommended to familiarize yourself with Azure services and features, and also to practice with real-life scenarios and use cases.